This is just a super simple video to show you the difference or what the new GitHub for Desktop app looks like. So it looks a little bit different in that it doesn't have the plus sign at the top. Just a little bit different. Don't be concerned that mine says it can't find something. That's okay, because I knew that it wasn't there. But I'm going to go up to File and Clone Repository. So instead of going to the plus and clone, then you go to File and Clone. And still going to go ahead and find a repository, whatever repository I might be looking for. I still have a bunch in there from previous students, but it's essentially the same thing. Let's see if I can, you know what, let's just use that one. I don't even remember what's in that one, but oh no, there it is. Let's use that one and clone it. That's the same temp folder that I was using before, but I'll put it in a different place just so that we can look at essentially the same thing. So now I'm looking at the current repository, and I could even, I could even there do a right click and show and explore and find where it is. Mine is in my CSC 175 folder from last semester, so it's not really relevant at this point where it is, because we're not talking about the folder, the files and the folders. Just pay attention to where you put yours and keep referring to that one in particular. So let's say, for example, I wanted to just put something else in here. I could put a new project. I could put something else. Let's put, I don't know, let's just create a new text document. And it doesn't even make any difference. I don't think it matters that there's nothing in it. But there's a new text document, and I'm even just going to call it that. That's poorly named and doesn't make any sense, but there's nothing in it. We're only talking, again, we're only talking about GitHub. But now there's something new in it. And so it should recognize that there are changes, and you'll see the plus again. And of course the file's empty, but that's okay. We knew that, we don't care. The summary, and I'm going to say something about it, adding empty file to talk about new GitHub desktop app, and commit that to my master. And it's committed locally, but now I need to push it. So in the other, in the old version, the versions that we have on campus, it says sync. Instead here it says push. But you're essentially doing, not essentially, you're doing exactly the same thing. And it says that it's all the same. And you could open your GitHub and see, of course, that it's been added in there, just like it was on the old one. But it looks a little bit different. You need to go to File, Clone instead of Plus and Clone. You work with the repositories by clicking on what the current repository is, and then you can pick a different one. And it says fetch if you want to bring something down, or it says push if you want to put something up in GitHub. Everything else is the same. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. So